By Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a star design. First thing to do, just go to polygon tool, go up to here for shape, got the fill colour here, and you can modify the number of sides, and the key thing here is, I'm just going to set that off, is that you set the star on. So see the star design there. That was a basic star. What you can also do, you can see here you've got indent sides by, and you can modify that. So you say go for 34 and it will be that sort of star. You can of course go the other way very quickly as well, and you can make it much more intense. So just go all the way up to say nearly there, and you can make a star. You can apply it of course more than once. You can make multiple stars very quickly using that. Just go over here to the history, get rid of those, and so you can modify the number of sides so you can make an intense star. Now there's also other options here. So you've got a star there. You can actually, I'm going to reduce the size, I don't want that to be that many. Go there. You've got an option here for smooth indent. So you can actually go, and you can see now you've got a nice smooth indent there as well. And again, useful if you go for, say, change that, put that down a bit. You can see, create that star design like that, more like a star flash sort of design. You can also, and I'm just going to quickly remove that, I can use smooth corners, and now this is more like a flower design than a star particularly, I would say. So but you can, if you of course push the indent up a bit and then go with that, maybe make some more sides, and you can actually see a sort of like star design. So that's a run through of quite a few of the settings. There's also this radius as well. You can actually modify the radius. Obviously that just sets it. Personally, I just use interactive. Now, unfortunately, there's no interactive control, so you have to just go through these and run through the various options, just showing the different stars. Now, you can also, of course, create additional stars. Like I say, you can create multiple stars, but you can also add stars on top of other stars. So I'm just going to now reduce that back down to more like the default. Got the star option there, and you just add that. And of course, you can add another star on top of that, and that's, just add that. Of course you can align it. You can then go up here and recolor the design, so you can create a whole range of interesting different sort of stars very quickly. Just align that. Also what you can do, of course, you can and then use a layer and combine shapes and subtract, so you can create another star design. So it's literally thousands of different stars can be created, and of course you could use maybe circles and stars combined to create other star-like designs, apply effects, etc. And also, of course, you can go over to the star, and I'm just going to add with sides, just like that. You can use other features of Photoshop, so you can go over to curvature tool, and you can then click on there and click on that to make it curved, or you can just move those up. So you can make a sort of, obviously a star that's slightly more irregular than the default stars that you get created. You can also go into there as well. You don't have to keep it exactly the same like that. And of course there's many other things you can do. You remove and click on those, remove and delete past points, and much more. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.